have seen it. I have been in interfaith programs where a Christian person is speaking in favor of the Palestinians and call him, oh, you are an anti-Semitic. You are an anti-Semitic. A'udhu billah. But imagine if you have these sources of information where Israeli Supreme Court, where you have their own military courts are finding out crimes. What would they say then? Don't be like what our leaders are today. Most of our leaders, the other day we had an instructor from Western, female instructor, elderly. She was walking on the road. I gave her a ride. Wallahi, this is what she told me. She said, you know, your leaders are chickens. This is the word she used. They're chickens. They're doing nothing. It's black and white, very clear. You can see it.